My name is Lilly Singh. I am a creator, mostly online, but that's changing soon to other things. And today, I teamed up with Adobe, where I got to bring two of my fans, who are also creatives, on set to help create a BTS video and just kind of learn about my process.
As a female in production, I'm really excited to see how Lilly is on set.
Lily's always very big on like energy, you know, like she's always like, this person has great energy and I vibe with that.
And I think her positivity and her joy is something that's so contagious and radiates throughout her content and what she does and what she puts out. And that's so rare in today's world. And so I want to soak that up and take that as a creative to everything I do.
Hello! How are you?
Oh my God.
Welcome. Welcome to my set. Hi. Very nice to meet you. Adobe helped get Claire and Anthony here. My fans got to submit their work on Twitter and Instagram, which I love because I feel like it created a lot of excitement within my community. People were posting their illustrations and their videos and their just like design work, and it was amazing because I literally sat in my office and went through all of these submissions and I was like, these people are way more talented than me. I picked Claire, who did this amazing video that was just so well shot and so well thought out, and I also picked Anthony, who created this illustration of me that caught my attention. It was an illustration of me from when I announced my late night show. Look at this. This your girl.
Posing.
Look at him, and gave me a pointed chin. He gave me some cheekbones. He did the whole thing. We use Creative Cloud a lot. Between me and my team, we all probably know how to use pretty much everything. I mean, I just love, even if I'm not completely certain how to do something, what I love about the Adobe applications is you can just like play around and have fun and learn and experiment, and there's multiple ways to do multiple things. I just like the idea of having something in your brain and then having the tools to bring it to life. I think that's something we take for granted very often. Not everyone gets to do that, have a vision in their mind and bring it to life, and any tools that allow me to bring that to life, that's really dope. What I would love to gain from this experience is honestly real human interaction. I think for me, you know, so much of my life is behind a screen and my fans usually see me on a screen, and so it's still important for me to be able to execute, perform, and communicate in person with the people who have given me this amazing platform. And so what I hope to gain is like learning from them, they learn from me, and we actually get to vibe and connect as humans, not just digitally.